Hello traders everywhere, Adam Hewison here coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're going to be looking today at our internet portfolio. We have three model portfolios on Market Club. This is the internet portfolio, we have a perfect ETF portfolio, and the World Cup portfolio. Well, let's start with the internet portfolio, which we'll be examining today. So just click on that little link. And it shows you Market Club's internet portfolio. The past performance, 2013 was 65%, which is, I think you'll agree, was outstanding. But the interesting thing here is that we show you exactly what we're doing. We show you our current positions on the sidelines at 73. Now this alert is until 9/26. And we would enter on a green weekly trade triangle at 78.36. And a monthly trade triangle trend changes at 56.26. So we tell you the exact numbers you want to be looking for in all of these markets, these six internet stocks which you see. Netflix, sidelines. Yelp, sidelines. Yahoo, sidelines. Sidelines on Amazon. And it tells you the date too when we entered these positions. That was 13 days ago, almost 2 weeks ago on Amazon. And it shows you the trading rules, what you're going to do. So it shows you everything you need to do in this portfolio. Now let's go right to the portfolio that I've set up on my portfolio page. So I click here and I choose my first portfolio, which is right here. So it's already chosen. So I'm just going to close this up a little bit so we get more of that. And you can see pretty much right away on the far right hand side of the screen, all green monthly trade triangles, telling you the bigger trend, the longer term trend is still positive for all of these stocks. However, the intermediate term trend, which is the one we use for timing, is indicating exit on the sidelines. Not go short, just exit and hold on to your money and let the picture clear. I mean, yesterday was an ugly day in the market, and the question is that a harbinger of things to come with what's going on in the Middle East, what's going on with China, all these geopolitical events that are happening all around the world, and not to mention sentiment is a big thing in the marketplace. So let's look at our first stock, Apple. Now, Apple, as you know, had a blowout weekend. They sold 10 million iPhones, which is by any accounts amazing. But the reality is we do have a red trade triangle right here at 97.79. Now, I understand we're currently trading at 102. We are still going to be on the sidelines, okay, unless you're a long-term trader. Now, if you're a long-term trader, you're still long from 66.53, and you're probably still very happy. Nothing wrong with that. But if you're an intermediate term trader, you should be on the sidelines, as we're indicating a trading range of 60 on this stock. Next stock we're going to look at is Amazon. Amazon is minus 70. Weekly came in at 330. It's currently trading at 324. So you actually got out at a better price. And it's saying stand aside until this triangle, the intermediate weekly trade triangles, turns positive. So sidelines there too. Now looking at Facebook, a little bit different. You've got a weekly trade triangle there at 73.73. It's 77. So actually we got out lower than where the current price is. Now we'll only get in if and when the price exceeds a certain point. And we tell you, if you go back to Market Club and we go to our internet stock again and we scroll down to Facebook, and it says we're on the sidelines from 73.73, which is exactly what we say on the screen. And we entered that position on 9/15, almost 8 days ago. We will re-enter a position at 78.36. So you should have stops in on Facebook at 78.36 to get long, because the major trend is still positive. The weekly trend is negative. So you will turn positive when and if Facebook trades at 78.36. Now that's a huge advantage, knowing beforehand. This is better than real time. This actually tells you before what you need to do, before the market gets there. So let's just go back. And all we have to do is just click on our portfolio, and we'll go to Yelp, which is our next stock. So you know what to do on Facebook. You know the rules there. On Yelp, you can see we got out of this market at 80.15. It's currently trading at 71, so I think you would agree that's a nice trade just to get out of. We took a profit. We were long from 76.49, so we took like a $5, $4 profit. Nothing great, but nothing bad. I'd rather be out of a stock when the trend is down than try to say, well, I think it's going to come back. And that's the key thing here. And again, you're below the 50 line on the RSI, indicating further weakness. So let's move on. This is Yahoo. Yahoo had the Alibaba debut. They made a lot of money. That's out of the picture now, so they're out of Alibaba. You've gone below the 50 line. We had a monthly here. It's 37.16. We were out at 38.69. Yes, a little bit of a profit, but not a lot. But we're out of the market, and we are going to stay out of the market until things change, unless the monthly trade triangle turns red or the weekly turns green. So we're on the sidelines in this stock. Netflix, pretty much the same there. It's minus 60 trading range. We're below 50, so indicating further potential weakness. And again, the longer term trend is positive from 450, and you can see we're currently trading at 453. So even though we had the signal right here at 450.82, you could still get in if you're a longer term trader. However, I would suggest and recommend waiting for the weekly trade triangle to turn green. So that concludes our positions in our internet portfolio. But again, look at the trade triangles, use them for timing. We give you all the prices of these stocks. Every day we update it when there's a change, and those changes stay in effect till the end of the week normally. So let's see what happens. I'm Adam Hewison for Market Club. Thanks for stopping by. Every success using our internet portfolio, which is off to a good start this year. We'll be reporting our third quarter results at the end of the third quarter, so stay tuned for that.